All right, welcome back if you're not new here. I got a little tool haul for you, nothing too crazy, but we haven't done one in a while, so yeah. I want to start with this, I think. Got this out of a dumpster, and I didn't know what to do with it. Then I came up with this idea. It's kind of hard to open, especially one-handed. There we go. Usually it's not that hard to open. I usually just kind of keep it like that, but yeah, just had extra drill bits kind of laying around. Yeah, it's kind of jank. It's like zip tied on there, but it's kind of cool. And then this was in the same dumpster. I've got it full of like random hardware. But it's a Handy Box, Rochester, New York, made in USA. I don't know, cool little box. It did have the key to it, but I lost it in the dumpster. So this is kind of cool. It's like a ruler, measuring tape or whatever, but you just kind of roll it to measure. I don't know, thought that was cool. This is pretty neat. Old school gray 1497. Nice knurling there. Made in Canada. I think that's 1/2 inch. I don't know. Not very good with the big sizes, but yeah, I'm pretty sure it's 1/2. But it didn't really work too great. It's got 2 different types of screw on it, but we got it working. Pretty good too, actually. Oh, careful. Yeah, pretty neat. Got that for free. It's kind of funny. I needed a 3/8 adapter for my drill to start that thing. Just took one of these, cut the tip off it, and it worked pretty good. I thought I would show that. Made a pretty cool paint scraper handle. I thought that was pretty cool. This is neat. It's a Miller's Falls. I've never had anything until now. Miller's Falls. It's like a ratcheting screwdriver. The tip needs some work, but yeah, number 55. It works too. Got this pipe wrench out of the dumpster too, but it's a cool one. It's got measurements right on it, and I've never heard of this brand. Marsland something, Waterloo, Ontario, Canada. I don't know, just never seen that one before. So kind of cool. Snap-on wrench. I think I paid $5 for this and these Blue Point channel locks. A couple little screwdrivers. This one's cool. It's a Weehaw, but it's an old one, West Germany. Allen head. It's pretty cool. Little tiny flathead. I don't know, I just like these. Found that in a free pile. It's got all the hardware for it. I think it had tape on it. I think it said 1965 Impala dash bezel or something like that. I don't know. Something like that. Cool little keychain. Snowmobile. Dayco. Oh, careful. These are neat. Bell Canada. FTF 76P needle nose. They're in pretty decent shape. No cutters on them, just a little bit of bite there, and then it's flat for the rest of it. Kind of cool. Free knife. I'm dropping things today. Yeah, I broke the tip off it. I don't know, just a beater knife. This is kind of cool. German, old school torque wrench. Here, let me move that. Pretty cool. It's got an aluminum handle onto it. What does that say? Design what? I don't know. Something. But it's cool. I like it. Peerless. I don't know. Something. West Germany. I don't know. Thought that was cool. That one's in foot-pounds. And then this little snap-on one. I don't know if you can even see that. Kind of. It's in inch-pounds. And that's half inch, I believe, and this is quarter, right? I think. I don't know. Torque TQ-3. Serial number is pretty much gone. But I paid like I paid like $5 for it, I think. Sorry. But yeah, it's pretty cool. I had to clean it up a bit. It was pretty dinged up, but it's pretty cool. And then I think that's about it. We got this and that. This is pretty cool because I found it in a scrapyard and they just gave it to me. I tried to fix it here with JB Weld and it didn't really work. It's just one of the hinges are broken, so probably gonna solder it or something. But yeah, it just opens up like that. Well, it usually would have if it weren't broken. And then you can open up these little compartments. I don't know what would have went in there. If you know what this was originally meant for, let me know. It's got a serial number somewhere. Or it did. Don't tell me I got rid of it. Oh, look at the paint. Just coming right off it. Yeah, there was a serial number somewhere on this thing, but I think it's gone now. But the paint is like flaking off of it. I don't know. It's just neat. Oh yeah, right there. Can't really see much of it. Maybe 514800. I don't know what that patent, maybe patent number. I don't know. It's got to be old. It's got to be like 30s, I would say. It's a pretty uneducated guess, but it's all like lead soldered together, I think. I don't know. Spending too much time on that, but I thought it was cool. And it's got that little handle right there. Yeah, if you know what that is, let me know. And then this milk crate, I got 2 of them. I've never seen these. Like, I probably have, but I just didn't realize what I was looking at. But it's a milk crate like that, but it's made out of metal. So I thought that was pretty cool. I'm sure any of my older viewers are like, yeah. Yep. But I just thought it was cool. Anyways, that is it. I think, right? Yeah. Right? Yeah. Alrighty, thank you for watching. Sorry for the lack of these videos. I try not to buy too much tools now, but you can see you know. Anyways, thank you for watching. See you next time. I'm out. I don't know how to do these outros. Oh, wait. This thing. I got this off of, no, I didn't get this off Marketplace. I got that in the dumpster that I got this, some other stuff in. But it's pretty cool. Toshiba RT100S. It all works. I just haven't, sorry, not doing too good today. I just haven't tested this because I don't have any tapes for it, but yeah, everything else functions. It's got a little bit of damage onto it, but I pulled it out of a dumpster, so, you know. And the antenna's still there, all of it. That's crazy. But yeah, it runs off D batteries, or you can plug it in. I've got it plugged in. But anyways, oh wait, there's more. Sorry. These things, I've gotten kind of addicted to Flymos. I've only been able to find 2 of them so far. I've got a 3rd one lined up, but anyways, this is my electric one. It doesn't have a motor in it right now. If you want to see that, I think I've got a video on here somewhere of it. Yeah, so there's that. And then this one is a gas one, and it needs a lot of work too. I've got videos on this one, and they could use some views, so I'll try to link it if you want to watch that. There's another board project. Yeah, I don't know. Anyways, that's it. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it a lot. I'll see you next time. Hopefully we can do these a little bit more often, but trying to be good, so. Oh yeah, and then I also got a bunch of those, but that is it. Anything else is gonna have to wait till the next video.